Hi, great day. Every individual is willing to enhance the financial portion to the next level. But how we need to gain that knowledge to evolve, to elevate our personal finance knowledge to the next level, that is the nobody is having the clarity. So some person is having the clarity, but some person is not having the clarity, and some person is having the clarity. So but how we need to evolve ourselves, how we need to change our perception towards the scaling of finances to the next level. So first we need to understand the craziest statistics about our personal finance. What is the craziest statistics about personal finance? So in this video I'm going to give the real essence and the nuggets about the craziest statistics about the personal finance. The statistics, how the every individual is behaving, and what is the aspects of every individual is nurturing on a day-to-day basis, basing on the knowledge, basing on the circumstances. So in this video I'm going to dive each and every parameter, how we need to evolve as an individual to go to the next level in terms of finances. So please see this video till the end so that you as an individual person to evolve by understanding this video and by implementing the strategies and the statistics what I'm going to share in this video is to be useful for you. Hi, I'm Madhu, Passive Wealth Expert. Coming to this video of craziest statistics about personal finance. What is the statistics about personal? Why I'm telling this is the craziest? Because everybody is willing to know about finance. Everybody is happy if you have a money. Everybody is very eager how to attract the money habits, how to gain the bank balances, how to build net worth. Everybody is like to know this information, but there is a lack of information, there is a lack of knowledge is there because of that particular situation where every individual is not able to understand. Because once we know these things about the personal finance in a deeper way, by understanding the statistics, what is the crystal clear analysis every individual need to be evolved. Once we know these things, definitely the answers will come. So for your better understanding, I'm sharing my screen to you so that you as an individual person to better get this essence in your life. So make a note, grab your paper and pen and make a note about these things and understand why this is most important. I'm giving the 5 craziest parameters and the golden nuggets where you need to evolve as an individual person. The first craziest thing is, what is your personal finance statistics? Why this is most important? Because the personal finance is most important in every individual, that everybody knows. But financial literacy, why this is important? Financial literacy in gaining of a knowledge, what is my income, what is my spendings on a monthly basis, what is the debts we have, what are the daily spendings is happening in a day-to-day basis, and what are the analysis we are incurring in a daily basis, to whom we are associating with us. That every parameter we need to know. That is called real financial literacy. So to whom you are associating? Are you associating with the rich people or associating with the dumb people? Are you associating with the task oriented guys, or are you associating with just like that chit chat guys? So are you associating to who is already build the successful businesses? Are you already build their wealth? Are already having their awesome bank balances? Are you associating with those guys? Or you are associating chit chatting with your friends, chit chatting with so and so, browsing and all, browsing in your YouTube channels, blah blah you are doing. What is that? So that information gaining in a gaining of information about a money, about a businesses, about a knowledge about money is most important, right? So that is called real financial literacy. So then understanding about your debts, what are all your debts, whether it is personal loan debt, home loan debt, credit card outstandings and home loan debts, or loan against properties, or a loan against securities, whatsoever the debts do you have, whether you have a segregation is there, what is the interest rate, what is the outstanding, what is the total amount you are going to pay, and what is the tenor. So if you know these things into your dictionaries or into your diaries, sorry. So when you know these things in a journals, definitely it will be in front of you, so that you can, when as and when you see, this is things, these are the debts I have, I need to pay these things, these debts within the stipulated time frame, and you need to analyze that within how many time I can able to pay that outstanding of debts, whether you are able to manage that debts to pay the total amount within the stipulated time frame. So once you know these things, the answers will come to you. So, and especially the credit cards debts are a dump for every individuals, right? So if you know, if you're understanding these things in a real way, the answers will come to you. So please don't addict for your loans. So these are the general statistics every individual must understand. So that's why I call this a personal finance statistics. It's the most important factor. That's the first golden nugget I'm going to reveal today. I already revealed today. And the second, the golden nugget is personal planning about your real finance statistics. So what is that personal planning? Most of the individuals don't save the money for their futures because salary is coming, just spending like paying a home, paying rent to the home, paying internet bill, paying mobile bill, paying education bill, going for groceries and paying like any daily activities, whatsoever, going for movies, going for restaurants and enjoying for fun, everything that spending like anything, right? But whether you are planning for a retirement, whether you have an emergency fund, whether you have planning for your cost of living, what is your current cost of living, what is your inflation for the next 2 years and 3 years, do you have any information about that? That is a major statistics. What is your education plan? What is your children education plan? What is your children marriage plan? Everything you need to know about the reality of the current position of your income and what you are going to achieve in the next 5 years, 3 years or 10 years. When you know these things in your mind, and after, not only in your mind, you need to jot down in your journals. Then only the answers will come. Otherwise, never ever come. This is the second golden nugget what I am going to reveal today. The salaried individual statistics. Most of the salaried individuals, whether if you are a salaried person, this is the major things is happening. Just simply spending without any proper mandate or reason. Just suppose you are earning 1 lakh rupee salary. How much amount you are spending for your personal thing, for your personal expenses? How much money you are spending for your retirement? How much money you are spending for your what I mean to say is for your children education purpose? How much money is spending for your goal? What is the task you want to achieve? What is the real goals of your lives? Whether you have a plan to accomplish that. So that you need to understand in a real way. If you know these things in a real way, the answers will come. So please have that essence about the statistics, about real essence of this personal finance. That is the craziest thing, right? So everybody is thinking this. Craziest means everything, everybody knows and it can easily be done. But everybody knows but not able to implement in a real way. That is my main problem. Just see if your bank balance is 2 lakhs and below or 5 lakhs and below. See that how your bank balance is not improving, how your net worth is not improving, how your assets are not improving, why your assets are not going to elevate to the next level. Because of our mindset, because of our analysis, because of our present situation of our association to whom we are. So please understand, when you know these things, the answers will come to you. So that is the second, fourth craziest point of golden nugget in the craziest statistics about personal finance is this: protect your money. How you protect your money? First, you understand what is your income of monthly and whether you are managing it properly or not. That you need to understand. Then how to change your perception about your money? Changing of perception about you, how much percentage you are going to segregate for X expenses, Y expenses, Z expenses. You need to have that clarity. Then how to invest in stocks? That stocks is the most imperative way in a present market trend. Analyzing about each and every aspect and then go for it. And how to invest in mutual funds. How to invest in real estate for passive income. This is the most craziest passive income generation method where every individual need to evolve, no? So how to invest in personal learning first. First you need to elevate your skills, then above all will come automatically into your feet. So if you don't upskill yourself. What is your expertise in your field? What is your expertise? What you want to achieve in your life? You never achieve anything in your life. So please have this essence. If this is right, type yes in the chat box, or the correct, Madhu, this information is correct, I need to work on that. Then how to diversify your portfolio, which percentage to which stock you need to invest, to which percentage to which particular asset you want to build, to which percentage to which expenses you want to give. These things you need to understand in a clear way. If you don't know this managing of money in a real way, the answers will never ever come to you. How? Because of our mindset. Our mind is a monkey brain. It will jump from here and there. So when you jot down about your goals, when you jot down about your process, when you jot down about what you are going to do today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow, next month, then the answers will come to you. Otherwise, the answers will never ever come. So please understand, when you know these things in a deeper level about your reality, about your bank balance, about your income, about your investments, to how much money I need to achieve, definitely the answers will come to you. Otherwise, never. So for this, you need to be associate with the people who are already been successful in the present wealth criterias. You need to be associate with the people to elevate yourself, to boost yourself, to change the present money habits to the next level. Is it right? No. So please be intact with your mind, to intact with your brain, to intact with your reality. If you don't intact, then the answers will never come to you. The essence is, you need to have a clarity about your money. You need to have a clarity about your income. You need to have a clarity about your expenses. You need to have a clarity about your managing of money. You need to have a clarity about where you are investing. You need to have a clarity about how we are going to invest the money in a real way. This is the just statistics I am telling to you. What is the present perception about every individual's mind about personal finance. So if you are understanding these things in a real way, the answers will come to you. So this is the just context analysis what I shared in this video. So for better clarity and going to deeper about each and every parameter about debt reduction, money management steps of proven strategies and wealth building strategies, I am conducting a live webinar where you need to go and take the parameters and do it for your scripts will be there. Then you can do on your own to scale your finances to the next level by understanding the real essence about money, real essence about wealth creation, real essence about your reality. If I'm confident this video has given the great clarity about your real statistics about your personality of money. If yes, please share this video to your friends and relatives so that they will get benefited. And the link is given in the description for the next upcoming webinar. Register that webinar and attend live so that you see the real difference. Have a nice day. Madhu Kodidala, Passive Wealth Expert.